Cryptocurrencies are becoming popular day by day, and many new investors want to know which is the best cryptocurrency to invest in. The answer is Alphard coin. It's the safest and most secured coin in the crypto world. Alphard coin has the fastest transaction time of 8 seconds, along with a secured wallet for you to buy the coin via multiple modes of the transaction through Bitcoin, BCH, Cash, and Ethereum. It is a decentralized coin that works on a peer-to-peer network guarded by a triple-layer security system. You get all the flexibility to trade your coins through multiple mediums via the instant exchange platform. So take the easiest and safest mode to trade your coins using Alphard. Our upcoming services. We are to launch an advanced mode of the transaction based on artificial intelligence and smart contracts soon for every individual who wants to be a trader and earn profits for future saving time and money. An affordable coin with a highly secured wallet where you get all the flexibility to add your own coins in the future.